Hey, this is on, and I'm going to show you the cordless soldering machine, which I bought it from Amazon. It has a type C port to charge, and then this one you can just change the temperature. Also, it comes with a few bits. As you can see, it's a small tray here. So I just used one already. Make sure when you use this bit, it should be all the way back, otherwise that's not going to turn on. It's going to keep goes to the green. Okay, and also we have this holder which has magnet. So as you can see, I'm just gonna put it here, and then you can just turn on. You can just move anywhere. Okay, and then let's see how basically it works. So I have this solder right here, and then as you can see, this one is not basically on, so it's not heating up right now. So I'm gonna just go ahead and press and hold this power button, and which has this beautiful light, which is going to be really helpful to and by the way, this one already good to go. And there is some solder bit cleaner, it comes with that, and this little small bag. Also, as you can see, and good thing is that when this one is not in use, it's automatically turn it off. And then we have this little bag that we can keep little items organized. It also comes with a type C cable and some few other gadgets that we essentially use in electronics. That's going to be one of the favorite one, since it's cordless. Very handy, I really like it. And then